today's video. My name is Felix. What's your name?
Ivanna.
Ivanna. So I'm Felix, this is Ivanna, that's my 4-year-old daughter. And today we're right here in Knott's Farm, chilling. We're here with Rosie. Say hi. That's Rosie, that's my wife. Say hi, Ivanna.
Hi.
Anyways, we came over here to Knott's Farm because, what do you want to do, Rosie?
Let's walk for a little.
Okay, first we're gonna walk for a little bit because we gotta get the feeling of the park to see what rides we're actually gonna get on and stuff like that. So right now I'm gonna take a little quick stroll. Right?
Excuse me.
So I'm gonna be like this.
What's your YouTube channel?
Oh, sure. Alright guys, we're gonna be heading off to the grounds right now. We don't know exactly what part of the Knott's Farm like we're gonna head up to right now. But real quick, I'm gonna be linking like my Instagram like right here. If you guys can follow me, you guys can DM me anytime for any reason, anytime, whatever. I will respond. It might take a couple of hours, a couple of days, but I will respond for sure. So yeah, just hit me up on my Instagram anytime. So should we head up to the log ride? Let's go. We're gonna be heading off to the log ride. Log ride?
Yes.
It's too long.
Ivana said that maybe the line is too long because it is pretty hot.
I don't like it.
All right, so we're still gonna head off that way, and then like hopefully she gets on.
I want lemonade.
I open up.
Give her the cup.
I want lemonade.
Lemonade? On to the top here, please.
Take the top off here. Hold it. Oh. Hold it.
Hi, can I get
You need the music?
I'm sorry? Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir.
She's ready.
Good or no? Ivana gave it a thumbs up, so that means it's good. So, yeah.
I like lemonade.
Let me taste it.
Me encanta.
Me encanta. I'll get the tapón. Oh, yeah. It tastes good. Lucky.
You want more?
I want to hold it.
There we go. Yeah. Yeah, it's because Ivana, she's super strong. Like this. Like that. Like this. So we have Silver Bullet over there. The rider, like, do you see the riders going up the ride? This right here is the log ride. What's the name of that one? That was called Calico Express something? Calico Express something, I don't know what the hell. And then the line for log ride is like right here. But the good thing is the line keeps on moving on. It's not like it stops and it stays for like forever. No, it just keeps moving, keeps moving. Yeah, like at a snail's pace like this. But like it moves.
Daddy,
Monday.
I want to buy something.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy something.
You don't sell nothing. Like what do you feel like buying?
I want to buy everything for me.
What? Okay. Everything for you and nothing for Donnie?
Everything for Daddy.
Oh, some stuff for Donnie? Ay, aquí también fresquecito. I'm telling Rosie, like, cause we're like right here, we're still right here next to the log ride, and like there's like trees right here, and it's super fresh. And if we hold on, wait. Back it up. And I'm telling you, like, if we're gonna go that way, there's nothing but sun. So the shade is right here. I don't know where's the nearest shade. I don't see no nearest shade except for this one right here. So we're gonna stand right here for like a couple of minutes and try to decide what part of the park are we gonna be heading off to. And just like that, the ride is over. Yeah. All right, guys, so I'm right here. Okay, what's the name of this place? Well, Ivana's, she wants to participate in this guessing game, and the guy has to guess pounds, how much he weighs, her birth within 2 months or her age. So I told him to go ahead and do the month. So he has to guess Ivana's age right now.
So you can go ahead and say what month you were born in. Month was you born?
You already guessed it?
Yeah, I wrote it down.
Oh, October? Yay!
You get to choose whichever price you would like.
So which one you want, Ivana? So Ivana's birthday is on October, and he guessed he guessed April. So Ivana, she's gonna get her price. That's what she wants. Happy?
Thank you guys for playing.
Oh, thank you. So anyway, she got a. That's tight. Lucky.
Yay, we win now!
She's over here wearing the donut as a hat.
I'm famous, Mom!
Look at me, guys! I get a hat as a donut.
¿Qué dije?
He's wearing the hat as a donut.
Okay, she's wearing the donut as a hat. There you go. Happy? So right now we're gonna be heading off to where am I gonna head out to the Camp Snoopy area? Oh, he has a go get it. It's on to show it to you. To go to Camp Snoopy, you can go either go that way or this way, which is like a fountain area, arcade, and then they have like a Fiesta Village themed stall right here, like a little mini piñatas and stuff. So Ivana's over there on the other side of the bridge, and we're over here. Come on. Oh shit! Oh, this is tight. ¿Te asustó? ¿Te asustó?
Ya que va corriendo ya.
¿Dónde? Where? Oh. No, Ana.
¿Ya vamos?
Sí, ya vamos para allá. Are you guys hot? Hot, no? Oh, yeah, this is cool. Whoa! Hay nadie. There's nobody. The show's not even on. Oh look, what I found. What the hell's in there? Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, good. So that's my little girl, Ivana.
Hey, Ivana.
That's my wife, Rosie.
Rosie, nice to meet you guys.
Yeah.
I'm
So
fine.
what? Today's your birthday?
It was on Tuesday, but I'm wearing it.
Happy late birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi. Hello. Peace.
Now I'm recording a video. Say hi.
Hi.
So what's your name?
Myra.
Myra. And what's your name of your channel?
I love to draw.
Yep. All right, guys. So we decided to come over here to McDonald's because Ivana wanted to get some food. So I'm gonna see what kind of toys they have right here at McDonald's.
So excited.
All right. Hey, look at these guys. What you got? What you eating? What you eating?
I'm eating
Cheeseburger. Chicken McNuggets.
Yeah, we got fries.
Oh, you guys killed it out right now. Yeah. It's all gone. Ah! It's Myra right here in the house. Hey, what's up? You already ordered, Myra? You did?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're about to order right now too. What they got, Ivana? Oh, they got some Super Marios right now.
And this one's a new one.
All right, we're gonna check out what kind of toys they have right here. Go ahead, too. All right, guys. So I came over here to McDonald's real quick. Dude, all of you guys came from Knott, right?
Yeah, y'all remember me, Black Messiah, y'all remember me. Hold on, I threw a patty at a nigga last. Hey, what's up? You already know it's your boy Zay at _.ZAYYYK. I love you, Dad. Follow me on Instagram. Hi, Mom. Hold up, bro. Follow me on Instagram at King Berenji. That's BERENJI.
And follow me at King Say That Rich. That's KING.
Love you, Dad.
I
I like Cheetos.
All right, guys. So I'm already done eating. I got a double cheeseburger with some french fries and a drink. What did you get, Rose?
A Big Mac.
A Big Mac, and Ivana got, she got a kids meal. What did you get? Cheeseburgers?
Yeah.
Cheeseburgers? And a drink? Yeah. I'm already full. Ooh, ooh. Super full. Alright guys, oh my god, I ate too much. I'm still right here at McDonald's and Knott's Berry Farm is directly over there. But I'm gonna pretty much end the video like right here. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. Like, share, and comment. And I'll see you guys next time. And make sure to hit me up on that little Instagram, like somewhere right here, over here, I don't know. Just hit me up and I'll see you guys next time.